ready. You can document quickly yung conditions and create a live preview of that on site. And then instant point cloud upload to Trimble Connect. So yan yung mga additional. Pero that's open only for the iPad Pro and yung ating iPhone Pro or Pro Max na capability. So in summary, augmented reality, it can provide significant value in several ways. It will allow you to overlay design models against reality, quickly and easily identify any issues. So mabilis na pag-check ng QA/QC. You can create shareable reports. It will help you spot future problems earlier by showing how the design intent reacts with current work. And it facilitates QA checks and allow you to visualize incorrect components like openings while on site. And with the LiDAR capability of iPhone or iPad, you will be able to use that as LiDAR scan feature for extra details. So this is a video for
smarter, not harder.
X9.
With the Trimble X9, you've got a scanner that lets you do exactly that. With the speed, range, accuracy, and flexibility to work the way you want. Get to work with the peace of mind that comes with automatic calibration and survey-grade self-leveling. Keep moving as you check your data in real time with in-field registration and 3D visualization. It's easy to set up and use, and it's packed with automation tools. The Trimble X9 lets you focus on doing your best work. You've always had the power to do more. Now your scanner does too.
Okay, so that's it from me. I think I used the 40 minutes mark for this. If you have any questions or requests for demonstrations and more in-depth presentation of our products together with BTS, we are very much open to that. We welcome those inquiries. Thank you.
And thank you very much, Ma'am Rax. There will be a lot of partnerships moving forward. We would like to again thank you very much, Ma'am Rax, for
Thank you, sir.
sharing us a lot of things for regarding your company and the solutions that you have. And thank you for our audience for being with us. And please join us in our future webinars. Maraming salamat po and have a great lunch to every one of you.
Yeah, another Sir Chris, if they want to have a demo or presentation, we're very much open. It's together with BTS. Isama na natin lahat ng workflow na kailangan nyo. We can include the site vision as well as the 3D laser scanner if you want to see it. Thank you so much, Sir Chris, BTS, Sir
Thank you, Ma'am
Marisol,
Rax.
and all the participants.
Thank you po. Have a great day.